Hey, what's up, guys? So I just thought I'd give you an update on the Hot Wheels that I picked up at the state auction. So I spent like 8 hours trying to sort through them and put sets together, and I only found like 7 or 8 sets. And these are the sets of 4 that they, like the series that they had. So I decided to just look them all up on Amazon manually and list them and not worry about the sets anymore. And so far, I think I spent 3 hours so far listing them, and I went through about 300 of them, and that's typing them in manually, because you can't scan the barcode on the Hot Wheels, so you have to type them in. And I found about 100 of them that would sell on Amazon, and these are ones I try to keep under 1 million rank in toys, and then at least like a $2 profit on it. So it seems like around 30% of the Hot Wheels are going to be able to sell on Amazon at those criteria. So speaking that, I bought like 2,000 or 3,000 Hot Wheels. That means I should be able to list about 1,000, probably like 600 to 1,000 on Amazon, and then I can list the rest of them on eBay in lots. And I'll probably list them in a lot of like 100, so I'll probably have, I don't know, 10 to 20 lots of them. But as of right now, like the average profit on all these is going to be close to around $5 a piece. So I have 100 of them listed, and the profit's going to be around $500. And I think I just put the average cost in of around 70 cents. So like the average sale price minus fees is going to be around 600. So that's almost half my money back just looking up 300 Hot Wheels. So let's say I look up 3,000 of them and I find 1,000, and I'm gonna get, and those are average profit of after fees, or average money after fees of $6 a piece. That's gonna be $6 grand payout to me without listing the lots on eBay. So that's just kind of what I'm looking at right now. So right now, I kind of calculated that I can list, or I find about 30 Hot Wheels to list in an hour. So, I mean, if I find 1,000, that's going to be 30 hours of work that I'm going to have to do. It's going to take me like a week. Plus, we're moving right now. We're renting a different house to get some more space, and so it's probably going to take me longer than a week to list all these. I'll probably send in the ones that I have already listed, but I don't know, it's just going to take so much time to go through these. And right now I'm not really buying anything because I have so much work to do with this. So it might have not been the best decision to buy these. We'll just kind of see, because I'm not buying anything. My van's full right now of Hot Wheels. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it to move unless I unloaded everything. And So I don't really know until I go through all of them if it was the best decision, but as of right now, I don't know if it was or not.